It's interesting. This is an AV integration show, so a little bit different from others. And it's the events you're saying that people are really catching on to.
I think it's because, I think it's something that people didn't know us for. They didn't realise that we did this whole events platform. I think when they saw it, they thought it was more about, okay, so it's webinar at home and if you're in person, but actually it's way more than that, right? We're really integrating with a lot of the stuff that you're using here today. And really going into that kind of broadcast type area of being able to bring all of the Zoom technology into that environment, which has been really exciting.
And is the events platform for use by rental and staging companies, or is it for use by AV integrators or in-house teams?
Across the board is what we're finding. We also have our own in-house Zoom events. So if you've got companies that are looking on to put on their own sales kickoffs or customer events, we can actually come in and actually our professional services arm will come in and run the whole show for you, whatever that may be, down to green rooms out the back, and it's really good fun.
So it's almost like you do it as a service.
Correct. Yep.
Right. It's interesting because when I think of Zoom expanding, I think of the telephony and the office applications, and not so much because you think, oh, Zoom, it's meetings, it's the office. You don't necessarily think events.
I think some of our best successes, actually, so putting Zoom events to one side, I think some of our best successes are actually business to consumer.
Really?
If you really think about where we went with COVID, right, where everybody out there knows Zoom, right, and why did they choose it? They chose it because it just worked, right? They tried to get onto other platforms, potentially they didn't work as well. They switched on Zoom and they didn't have any issues. And so where we're finding a lot of conversations is where companies are using it to get to their consumers, to get to their customers.
Right.
And then, as I said, integrate it into their websites or into the applications, their apps that they're using to their consumers. Of course, we do a lot of internal stuff as well in their own businesses, but the click has been, okay, we can really start talking to our customers.